Hi, friend, it's Rochelle, and I want to introduce you to a few of the products in your Jordan Essentials business kit. I want to introduce you to some of the magnesium products that you're going to receive in your kit. These are amazing and offer so much relief. I know you're going to want to experience them yourself and share them with all the people you know and love. So let's talk about the magnesium lotion. Topical magnesium is amazing. It goes right into cellular activity. Let's talk about the base of this. So what the base of this is a jojoba oil, sunflower oil, and aloe. And what happens is they take magnesium chloride and diffuse it into this wonderful lotion base. So you're going to receive a unscented, no essential oil basic magnesium lotion, and then you're going to receive this peppermint lotion as well. So same base, it's just you get the wonderful healing benefits of the peppermint oil. My favorite thing to do with the peppermint magnesium lotion is to rub it on the bottoms of your feet. As we know, magnesium aids in your sleep pattern. It also aids in relief of muscle aches and pains. And so after you've had a long day at work, you're gonna wanna sit down, rub those feet down in that peppermint magnesium lotion, really relax those feet and aid in that sleep pattern. Then you're gonna have a bottle of Copacom magnesium lotion. Now the Copacom magnesium lotion is extra special. It is for pain relief as well as relieving anxiety, anxiousness, copa, calm. Okay, so copaiba is a tree that's grown in India. It's a wonderful CBD alternative. It has no THC. It's great for its relieving properties. Then we come in with some essential oils that really help in relieving anxiety, depression, anxiousness. So we have ylang ylang, sweet orange, lavender, and chamomile. That's your really special Copacom blend magnesium lotion. Next, we're going to have our Helio. Now, this is a thicker base. It's a shea butter base, so it's thicker than the lotion, and it has some really powerful properties. Number one, it has heliochrysum in it. Heliochrysum is an oil that is deep driving, so it really helps relieve those deep joint issues. It also has wintergreen and clove in it as well. So this is your Helio blend that many people with inflammation and joint as well as deep muscle pain really like to use and experience. Next, we have our stick, our magnesium stick. Now, it has magnesium chloride in it as well, like the lotions and the butter we have talked about, but it's in a beeswax base. This is really good for pinpointing spots on our body. Now, our Renew blend is wonderful for any kind of tension relief, especially headaches. So we can carry it with us and really apply it to those pressure points. So you're going to love to experience your Renew stick, as well as you're going to get samples of all of our other solutions. So this is going to set you up for success for you to be able to share our magnesium solutions with your friends and family. You're going to get a resistant blend, which is amazing for immunity. You're going to get an uplift blend, which features frankincense and orange. It's really uplifting to the spirits. You're going to get your sleep stick, or both of these. All of these solutions come in a stick and a spray, so you get the choice. And so that's the reason why we send these samples along, because you'll want to experience the sleep solution. The energy solution is for energizing. Who doesn't need some energy? Next, we have our allergy solution sample. Last but certainly not least, we have our peace sample. So that's some of the magnesium products that you're going to get to experience in your Jordan Essentials kit.